Alright, let's make it happen.
They lock the door and we walk infinity. Say the one of them doors we spinning. Real dope boy ain't charging no car. Fuji wagon, she already got. Real grown woman, she ain't post her body. Check price tags, you want it, you get.
Hi you guys, it's Brooklyn and I'm here with a surprise. So basically I ordered something for my channel so that I can show you guys more things, and I'm not going to tell you what it is. You're just going to have to find out to see what it is. So the thing I ordered is in this box. It came today at 1:10, I believe, and it was on time. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So okay, you know, I've been thinking about ordering this thing for a minute now because I want my channel to grow. And I think this would be a really good, you know, factor in helping it grow because I'm going to be using it all the time. So basically, I'm using a credit card to open this. I don't have the knife. But I do have scissors. So let me, hold on. Let me get me some scissors. Do I have scissors? I'm just going to rip it. So I'm just going to open it like this because I don't have scissors and it's going in the trash anyway. So I'm going to show y'all what it is. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Because I've been wanting this for a long time because it's what I need. Oh my god. Just okay. I'll open it now. So okay, here's some okay. Paper. Plastic, I mean. I think it's like bubble wrappers. So type of bubble wrap. I don't know. I don't work at the USPS place, so, or Amazon or wherever they put it from. So, okay. So inside the box is the box, and yep. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. All right. So we're gonna open it. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, I'm opening it. Okay. I'm gonna open it. Oh my god, okay. So this is the bottom. Oh, this is the top. I gotta open it from the bottom. I have to open it from the bottom so it'll be less like a cringe, you know. So I'm gonna open this all nice. Let me get this in the let me show you how to open a box, because some of y'all don't know how to open a box. So I'm gonna open a box for y'all. I'm gonna open this box. So okay. Y'all see? Ah, y'all almost saw me. Oh my god. Whoop. Oh my god, y'all almost saw me. Okay. Whoop, you thought you saw, you didn't see it. You thought you saw. Nah, hush, I don't want to hear that. Alright, so we're going to open it up. We're going to take it out. We're going to show y'all. So that's what we're going to do. On the count of 5. No. On the countdown from 5, we're going to pull it out, alright?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, 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 level
I just not. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. I got a mannequin head. Oh my god. Hey girl, can you breathe? So I'm gonna open her up because I know she can't breathe. I know she wants some oxygen. So I'm gonna open her up. Okay. Oh my god, my baby. Yes, ma'am. Itchy. Okay, so she got some nice hair. Oh my god. Shake, baby. Yes. I'm jealous. Okay, I'm jealous of you. I'm so jealous. I want some hair. And she got eyebrows. Oh, baby. He was my baby. My first. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, so this is basically her. I think I'm gonna name her. What should I name her? Does she look like me? Because I can name her Brooklyn. She don't. Look, get up on her edges. Your name is going to be Mama! What should I name my mannequin head? Ma? Connie? And I'm going to be showing y'all some different hairstyles that y'all may want to try out. And then I'm going to be doing tutorials, all this, all that. I bought her because her hair texture is it's the closest to mine, and I didn't want to buy one with an afro because I didn't think you can apply heat to the hair. So I got something that looks kind of close to mine when it's flat ironed or whatever. Cause they had some blondes that was like that, and I didn't want to get that. So I just got the you know, look kind of hair. So it's like more rough, kind of like more like, it's not like a Caucasian person head, but it's more of a African American's hair texture basically. Okay, and so in the box it came with her, alright, and it came with a clamp to put on something. I don't even know how to use this stuff yet, but I'm gonna learn because I know how to do research. So basically I got a mannequin head. This is the whole surprise, y'all. This is the whole surprise. It's her. Oh my god, shake. Yes, I'm happy too. You happy? Alright. Not to mention this hair, not this hair, but this mannequin doll was about $27-25. So that's all I wanted to show y'all today. Please give me and Connie a like and a comment. Please share with your friends. Please spread the word. And subscribe also if you have not already. Make sure you hit that notification button so you can get notified when I post. I'll see y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye y'all.
They lock the door when we walk infinity. Say the hundreds, them doors we spinning. Real dope boy ain't charging no car. Blue G wagon, she already got. Real grown woman, she ain't post her body. Check price tags, you want it, you get it.